Thank you for the brilliant presentation, Attorney Gozon. Now we will proceed with the Q&A. Just to give you information on how we selected the moderators, the network chairman assigned moderators from their network. But to make this a game-changing session, the chairman agreed to swap moderators. To interview GMA's chairman and CEO, please welcome ABS-CBN's Miss Corina Sanchez Rojas.
Boss Gabby, magandang umaga po sa inyo. May loyalty pa rin ako. Hello sir, how are you today, Attorney Gozon?
I'm okay, but I think you are more popular than anyone here.
You're looking very well. Flawless po ang inyong complexion. How are you feeling today? Somebody from backstage was commenting that seeing the three of you for the very first time in Philippine television history together on one stage is a definite sign of the end times. Meaning, it is an event of biblical proportions. So, how did you feel being up there together with your stiffest competitors?
Well, I think this is the first time the three of us have been together, but individually, I have been with each one of them many times.
So, nagbabatian naman po kayo kapag nagkikita
definitely,
kayo?
Definitely. We are friends.
Okay. In the photo op, I noticed from backstage that Mr. Lopez was in the middle and elevated. He looked like an Olympic competition winner. Would you like another photo opportunity, taking turns in the middle?
I think that is very deliberate because Gabby was the tallest. And Manny and I are about the same height. So that is a perfect arrangement. I have no complaints.
And I think somebody from ABS-CBN put the markers on stage because EL3 is really in the middle, as planned.
Yes.
Attorney Gozon, who is number one today? Yes.
As far as we are concerned, definitely it's GMA 7.
I'm very surprised to hear that from you. Okay, so my next question is, why? Why do you believe that GMA 7 is number one? And by the way, number one where?
Did you say when? Okay, to answer the first question, I think the best people who can answer that will be the viewers. Because they are the ones that are being rated by the rating service provider. So, all we can do is provide the programs that we think they will like to watch. The rest is really up to them, whether they will want to watch the programs or not.
So, who is your worst enemy?
Okay, let me be very honest. I don't want to mention because that will put them up.
Wow!
Look, ladies and gentlemen, if you're number one, then your number two will be better than the number three, right?
I didn't get that. Parang double meaning. Pero siguro kayo na lang nakakaintindi po nun. So, Attorney Gozon, in your presentation, there was like a lay of the land, ano po, and factors affecting everybody. So, but you didn't really give much about what GMA is really planning. You told us about what GMA is doing, of which you are very proud. But what is GMA really planning for the coming year?
Well, okay. Beyond what I have stated in broad strokes, I think I better stop. Otherwise, we may no longer be number one.
Kala ko pa naman sasagot kayo. Hindi kayo bibiling equipment? O saan kayo bibili? Wala. None. Okay. Or what is your next teleserye about?
I better keep my mouth shut. I am being baited.
Okay, what do you think about pirating talents?
Okay. Well, believe it
Sino
or
po ba ang nagsimula talaga niyan?
believe it or not, I better call Corina Mrs. Rojas.
No, because when you call me that, I have to behave.
Corina was Corina before she got married. But now, the more appropriate title is Mrs. Rojas.
So,
Well,
who invented
Okay,
pirating?
very honestly and with all sincerity, we do not believe in piracy. And I am very proud to say that Channel 7 became number one even before, when the rating service was limited to Mega Manila, without pirating any talent or program from other stations. And up to now, we are trying to maintain that policy. Beyond that, I'm not going to say anything more.
Well, mahirap po talaga ang kumakausap sa abogado. Lalo ang Harvard Law. Okay? Pero, okay, so you do not call it pirating. Ano po yun? Voluntary lumilipat. Ganun
That's
po ba yun?
different. You know, by definition, pirating is when you try to induce somebody who is still with another to transfer to you by better terms, whether talent fee or whatever.
Pero hindi po ba sabi nila, everything is fair in love and war? Do you
But
believe
is
that?
broadcasting war?
I don't know. I'm just an empleado. What do
Broadcasting
you
is
think?
still a business. We are not at war with each other.
Okay. So it remains a policy. So kung meron po kaming mahuli na nagpa-pirate sa amin galing 7, pwede po namin isumbong sa inyo.
Of course, I will welcome that.
Okay. How important is it to file a lawsuit? How important is it to file a lawsuit against another network?
Well, okay, as a lawyer, you don't normally file a lawsuit unless all other things that you can try without filing a lawsuit fail. That is the last recourse.
It is
Because
a last
cases
recourse.
here in the Philippines takes too long to resolve.
So, ibig po niyo sabihin, kahit meron pong kaso, say ang Channel 7 sa Channel 2, bati-bati pa rin tayo, ganon.
Of course, that has nothing, sabi nga sa industry natin, walang personalan.
Batas lang yan. Yan, okay? Okay, we have a Twitter question. What do you think is the new role of TV in the context of today's social web?
Wow. As I said in my speech, they are getting to be merged with each other. They are becoming indistinguishable. But I think more and more, starting from the young people, they are starting to use the internet, the web, Facebook, Twittering, blah, blah, blah. And so, baka maybe several years from now, that may be the mode of transferring information.
Will you be staying in GMA for a long time still?
Well, you can see that my hair is already white.
I didn't say that, huh? Pero,
But one thing.
Yes, yes.
I'm going to stay shorter than Manny or Gabi. Because I'm older.
Okay. No, because when you talk about the future, I mean, it's important to know that the guy talking about the future will be there in the future. So,
Not necessarily. Because if you think you can leave the company in competent hands, then you can go.
so the line of succession in GMA is in place.
Well, we are trying to put them in place.
Another Twitter question. There has been a trend worldwide of TV and print media forming joint ventures. Do you think there is a future there? Why? And how?
Okay, our policy has been that there is nothing that we reject as long as it will result in a mutually beneficial result.
So, do you have a favorite television show that you watch in another station?
I'm sorry if I cannot answer that. Because I failed to hold a bidding last night between Manny and Gabi.
Okay. Well, okay, before we wrap things up, who is your stiffer competitor, 5 or 2? Are you deliberately ignoring me? Attorney Gozon, who is your stiffer competitor, 5 or 2?
Stiffer competitor? In TV or outside TV?
And on that note, marami pong salamat sa inyo, Attorney Gozon.